This is the way to the viewpoint. We're at the point, but this is beautiful. A little hazy. It's a little misty, otherwise you can see almost the whole of Ooty. If I can show you down there. There you go. You have to go through boulders to get to this point. Look at the crowd. I don't know how to navigate through this. Extremely crowded to come on a weekend. Oops. Oh, this is crazy. It's beautiful but crazy nonetheless. Yeah, for this place you really have to come here to experience it. Pictures don't do justice, not even by half. And also since it's misty, can't get a clear. I'm sorry about the interruptions, a lot of calls from home. So yeah, you have to come here guys, you have to be here, witness it.
को देखनी है तो कैसे मैं अंदर शबनम हैंगा करके वानी तो
Scope house, which of course I can climb, but it's too crowded, so might as well just get the view from here.
I manage to no problem. Replay part நல்லா இருக்கானே நல்லா மறுபடியும் வீடு சார் மாத்தணுமா சொல்லுங்க சார் மாத்தணுமா
Climbing up is totally worth it. It's not the same view. Look at how pretty. Wow. How much is it?
20 ma'am.
Sipping some tea, taking a break. Really nice tea. So they've banned plastic in the whole of Ooty. Also, like even your paper cups and all of that. No single-use plastic or paper, which is good. Keeps the place tidy. So all of them serve tea and steel tumblers, which is I think the best option. So it's amazing. I love how they keep the city clean. So this was Doddabetta. Again, like I said, you can see the borders of Karnataka, Kerala. Apparently the Keralites call it the suicide point. Sorry for the trigger, but that's what they call it. Doddabetta actually comes from Kannada. Dodda meaning big, Betta meaning hill or mountain. So yeah, but it belongs to Tamil Nadu, which I think is amazing that you can actually see all three states from here.
அங்க வச்சு சீவாதரா வா இப்படி வா
That was nice. The bhaji was nice. Now we're just going back. Crowd on the weekdays. Lot of people here.
eucalyptus oil still.
Ah, very nice. You can smell the smell. It's eucalyptus oil.
England breeding place.
Okay.
The fine forest, you know.
Okay.
That is the Australian breeding place.
Oh, okay.
The select countries breeding place in the route.
Oh, wow.
It is the natural area.
Okay.
Natural AC, natural fan.
Oh,
You go to the any hotel, you have no fan, no AC.
Correct. Very nice. So we're here at the tea and chocolate factory. Again, huge crowd. It's beautiful. Let's head up and see. Oh, and they have horses here. They do horse rides. How nice. How cute. They're so clean. And now it's first time I'm seeing like a patch horse. It's more like a cow. I mean this kind of patches, like cow patches. Then of course you can see the steps, the city, all of that. To crush tea, one of the first machines used. The view is also delightful, except for the traffic. And then this, I don't know, this is the entry. You can have to buy some tickets. Oh my god, the smell of tea. Those who want to read can pause and read the story of ancient tea. Origins of tea. Chanuyu, hot water for tea. Tea ceremony. Great Britain was the last. Just break into the excited. I'm going to read this later because there's plenty. Boston Tea Party. Origins of tea, Assam is where it first came. Jungles of Assam in 1830. Wow. 1833 changed everything. Nilgiris began in 1832. Experiment of tea and coffee. Just look at the tea there. We'll head there in just a bit. Tea in Nilgiris is here to stay. Tea would soon emerge as the mainstay economy of the Nilgiris. Oh, there's full-fledged prison. Wow. Carrington. Railways and tea. Tea options in India. Tea and health. World of tea. Oh wow. Tea and the 20th century. Yeah, I have to read this later. Then you see it being processed here. How extraordinary. And I wish you could just smell the place here. You're just inhaling fresh tea. Fresh powdered tea. That's where the tea is getting done. Various stages. The smell gets even more pungent here. Finally, I think you have the powdered stuff here. For those people with the V's, it's advisable to wear a mask because, yeah, a lot of fine tea dust gets into your nostrils. You can feel it right away. There you can see the tea powder being collected. Final product before processing. What's happening here? Here is where it's getting packed. That's the machine that's packing the tea. It's all automated. So this is going into gunny bags and then finally from there into smaller packets of tea. There are people drinking tea here. Final stage of the process is to drink tea. The varieties of tea that they have. People enjoying their sips of tea. Cup of tea here. Hot piping. Cup of tea. all kinds of tea, white tea, green tea, masala tea, ginger tea, lemon tea. Hubby asked for some masala tea, so I'll get some of that. And yeah, maybe some cardamom. Orange masala tea. English breakfast tea. This is the cash counter. Look at the crowd. 2 bags of tea. Did my masala tea. I bought 2 packets. One for my parents and one for me. Here you have all kinds of oils. Clove, lemongrass, eucalyptus. Maybe I'll pick up 2 small eucalyptus oils. It's good for when you have a cold. So, speak too soon, it's so misty.